Righto, the Maxtrax are out. Cheap insurance. Let's give it a crack. Well, the Maxtrax got us out. Thanks, Maxtrax. That's cheap insurance. Because what else do you do? Call a tractor? Oh, we've got a car coming. Now, it's time to grab these Maxtrax and give them a clean. We'll show you how dirty they get. So here they are. They're a bit muddy and dirty. Let's go give these a pressure wash. Because I ain't sticking these on my roof. As you can see, we've got quite a few Maxtrax here. They certainly come in handy. They got us out of a pickle. And now it's time to wash them. So this might take half an hour or so. But you can buy all different colours. Got the orange, grey, like an army colour one, or whatever it is, and the blacks. I think there's other colours too, so jump online, grab these. These are extremes. You need the extremes. Alright, cheers.